Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if your fridge doesn't make ice or it just isn't enough, I have the solution for you. This Countertop Nugget ice maker is amazing. First of all, I love the sleek look and design. I got the black one and it matches great with the appliances around it. It's not an eyesore. I like to use my filtered water to fill it up to the max line. You just remove the little basket, put the water in and put the basket back in and hit the on button and it'll start making ice right away. So no more drives to your favorite restaurant or convenience store to get that nice crunchy nugget ice that we all crave because it's so good. Now we can have it in the comfort of our own home. You can also set a timer for how long you want it to make ice, and you can see how the mechanism works up here. It will slowly create the little ice forms and then